How to get English dub on Crunchyroll. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get English dub on your Crunchyroll app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up the Crunchyroll app. And once you're in the app, I'm going to show you two ways to find English dubbed anime on Crunchyroll. So first, go to browse. Here, tap by tapping on the bottom here, browse, and then tap on all, and then here tap on sort, and then select dubbed and tap on update filters. And now here all the anime is dubbed in English. Now to find a specific anime that is dubbed in English, you have to tap on the search icon here in the top right corner, and then here search for the anime you want to find. And now here you can see that here is written dubbed. That means this anime is dubbed in English and all of these animes are not. So whatever anime is dubbed in English, you will see dubbed here besides series. And so this is how you can find English dub on Crunchyroll. Thanks for watching.